Ride along with me in the spirit of 1944 as we revisit our 2019 flight aboard the C-47 nicknamed That's All, Brother. This C-47 led 800 more of its type, delivering thousands of paratroopers over Normandy on June 6, 1944. The aircraft is now a proud part of the Commemorative Air Force. And pause with me at Utah and Omaha beaches, part of a June 2019 trip to Normandy. If you've been there, you know what an emotional experience it is. I've heard it said that fewer than 1% of the Normandy troops are still alive today. Normandy veterans, you are in my thoughts. I look up to you as quiet role models for us all to follow. Thank you.